You going?
Yeah.
Thanks. So the first one goes above both your bony parts of your ankle. That's called an anchor. So it goes around the bottom, nice and loose. We don't want to grab the back of your ankle, back of your Achilles. And now we're going to strap it, so we're going to try and stabilize this bit here. So that's what we always have to remember. So your foot stays up, and better again if it goes out a little bit, it'd be better, but if you keep it in a mid position, that locks out your ankle. So the first bit is just your first stirrup, and it goes over the bony part, and it comes up and attaches to the other side. And it's the same drill, we're going to do that 3 times. So one's going to go a little bit further forward, but it's going to overlap the first piece. And the third one's going to go at the side. And it's just overlapping the first piece again, a little bit further back. So the ankle strapping we're trying to reinforce is the ligament at the top, the ATFL ligament. So if we go, these are called figure of 6s. So if we go down here and across where the ligament is, we're going to come down and we're going to pull it up and out to the opposite side. And it's up to you how many of these you do. If you want a light strapping, you could do 1 or 2. If you want a heavy strapping, you could do 3 or 4. And the second one just goes on top, a little bit further forward than the first one. So 2 figure of 6s. Some folks like to do a figure of 8, which is just the exact same, but it's more of a stability strapping for the whole of your ankle. Right the way up and around and to the top and back around again. So what I've done is I've just covered up the top anchor. So the only hard part, I suppose, that people always think about, so if you just did that, that would be perfect for me, but we also have to remember that your ankle just doesn't go up and down, in and out, it also goes forwards and backwards. So the last wee bit is just an ankle lock. So from there we're going to grab a piece of tape, and from the side we're going to try and dissect this at a sort of 45-degree angle. We want to give ourselves enough tape at the top so that we're able to come around and fix to the opposite side. So with that, you can either just come straight around and finish here, or what I normally do is I just, instead of doing that, I normally just pinch the bottom and I do the exact same on the opposite side. So it's a 45-degree angle. And then we come back around and finish at the top. And then we always have to finish with an anchor, which is just going around the top of the ankle joint. And if you try and move your ankle now, and up and down,